I'm Luke, and this is my father, Scott. And then my son is Mason here.
Howdy.
My dad's Mason, and he started our company.
Went into business for myself in Gillette, Wyoming in 1990, and been doing it ever since here in town.
I started dragging him to the job at 7. He started dragging me to the job at 10 or 11. Then I got online, researched. I ordered the Casa 90. And then I started building the metal frame base. And when the Casa 90 got out, we laid it out. It just grew. It just grew and grew, and it changed every day. We have an event center here, so I have to be able to pick all these fireplaces in detail and take them into this building. If you're looking at the bright side, that stone pulls out for a shelf. That's a forklift pocket. So we built this shelf to slide in and out of a forklift pocket. So if you move that shelf, and on kind of behind it or next to it, right parallel with it, there's a stone we made that pulls out, and then you pick it up with a forklift, you can move it around.
All right. That's how we stick it in the fork pockets. And as you can see, the entire pizza oven can be lifted and transported while the pizza is being cooked.
And we went with a clay flue, and then instead of coming straight up so moisture could get down in it, we came up and teed it, so it comes up and tees on the side, so it has, once it goes through the chimney, it smokes out both sides. I mean, it's huge. I stuffed him in it. It's 36 inches on the inside.
You can get me through the doorway. It's been a hobby. You know, it's just one of those father-son things that we get to go down, we get to go have fun. It's something to get out of the house.
We'd go in the shop and work for a couple months, kind of father-son, and some of my other workers and friends would get involved. And we would go in and use that as kind of a bonding. He goes down and runs these home shows with me, and it's just kind of something we can do to kind of bond.